Why businesses still choose the wrong cacao and what professional buyers evaluate instead. Most businesses think cacao procurement starts with origin or price or samples. But professional ingredient procurement goes much deeper than that, because ingredient decisions do not simply affect purchasing. They affect formulation consistency, operational reliability, manufacturing stability, production performance, and many businesses only discover procurement mistakes after production problems begin. Here at Global Cacao Traders Online, your sourcing and distributions platform globally for premium cacao powder. Today, we are wrapping up everything we have covered this week. Why businesses choose incorrectly. What professional buyers evaluate. Known risks, unknown risk, and what creates stronger procurement decisions long term. Why many businesses get procurement wrong. Many ingredient decisions begin with understanding. Thinking. Businesses evaluate appearance, origin, pricing, supply claims. These things matter, but they do not tell the full story. Professional procurement increasingly evaluates consistency, operational suitability, ingredient functionality, production repeatability, because ingredient performance influences production performance. What looks strong initially does not always perform consistently over time. And the long-term reliability matters. Known risks procurement teams often see. Known risks are visible, such as ingredient inconsistency, supplier variation, operational inefficiency, formulation drift, processing differences, specification variations. These are risks businesses can identify quickly and efficiently through Global Cacao Traders Online. They can build systems around them. They can improve supplier qualifications. They can improve procurement frameworks. Professional procurement increasingly focuses on reducing these risks before operational problems begin. Unknown risks businesses often miss. Unknown risks become harder because businesses often do not realize what they are not evaluating. Operational suitability, long-term repeatability, production compatibility, ingredient behavior over time. See consistency across batches. How ingredient decisions affect downstream manufacturing. These factors often reveal themselves later, not immediately. Professional procurement frameworks reduce uncertainty. The stronger the evaluation framework, the stronger long-term operational confidence becomes. What professional procurement actually evaluates. Professional procurement increasingly moves beyond price, appearance, origin alone. Professional procurement evaluates operational reliability, ingredient functionality, production stability, repeatability, specification, consistency, and manufacturing capability. Long-term procurement confidence develops when businesses understand how ingredients support operational outcomes. Professional buyers increasingly evaluate systems, not supply ingredients. What smart businesses build long-term? Long-term operational confidence develops through structured procurement thinking, supply understanding, ingredient evaluation frameworks, and long-term performance evaluation. Consistency planning. Professional businesses increasingly think beyond what ingredient can we buy, and increasingly think what ingredients supply supports long-term operational repeatability. That thinking changes procurement outcomes. Only here at Global Cacao Traders Online, your sourcing and distributions platform for premium cacao powder. Strong procurement systems reduce uncertainty. Strong ingredient evaluation improves operational confidence. Long-term repeatability begins before purchasing decisions are made. If your business is evaluating cacao powder requirements globally, ingredients, suitability, and procurement thinking matter more than most realise. Learn more through Global Cacao Traders Online. Review our education resources, explore bulk cacao pathways, or submit a trade inquiry for commercial requirements. Professional procurement starts before purchasing. Like, subscribe, and share to this video for more up-to-date information on premium cacao powder globally.